Let me show you how spoiled my dogs are. Look at this. This is for the dogs. Doesn't that look good enough to eat? You could eat it if you wanted to. Just thicken it up a little bit. Throw you some potatoes on it. You put that over some biscuits or anything. All that is chicken. A little bit of chicken stock. I use water to cook the chicken in, and I use a couple bouillon cubes, and then I just put a little bit of brown rice. Just a little bit of brown rice and some peas and carrots. And I mix this with their breakfast in the morning with their, I should say with their cereal. No, not with the cereal, with their dog food. Look at that. These dogs are spoiled, I tell you. They love it. Love it, love it, love it. My nose started running like instantly. Not sure what that's about. But anyway, well, Olivia has decided that today she wants something really good to eat. She wants my classic cheeseburger macaroni. Now, I've already got this recipe on the channel here, I'm pretty sure, but we're gonna go ahead and cook it together right here and now. Why not? You know, why not? You won't have to go search for that video. So let's go ahead and let's get to cooking.